Eicher's class. Good morning. Today we finished 6.7 volume. Can you find volume? Yes. Sweet. All right, so volume is the amount of what? Space inside of something. What is that something? Beautiful. Dimensions we'll talk about in a second. Unit cube. A unit cube is the same as units to the power of 3, right? Yeah. Volume is measured using units to the power of 3 because volume has how many dimensions? 3. Sweet, nice job. All right, perimeter. How do you find perimeter? Go. Add the sides together. Love it. How do you find the area of a square, a rectangle, or a parallelogram? Base times height. How do you find the area of a triangle? Base times height divided by 2. And then volume. Volume is what we're working on. There's a couple of different ways to do it. Let's just recite this one together on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Length times width times height. Beautiful, beautiful. And those will be the 3 dimensions, right? Length, width, and height. Here is a Kleenex box or something of the such. We said this is the width and this is the base, right? Yes. If you disagree with that, could those two easily be switched around? Yes. Yeah, we're still just multiplying the numbers, so we're okay there. All right, here is a cube. We have to find the volume. How many blocks are going across this? 3. How many blocks deep is this? 2. How many blocks high is this? 2. So would you say it's a 3 by 2 by 2 block? Yes. So those were our plugins, 3 by 2 by 2, right? Yes. We actually wrote 2 by 2 by 3, but same thing, yes? Yes. So multiply them together and you get 12 units cubed? Yes. Could you just count the blocks though? If I zoomed in, could you literally count all 12 blocks? Yes. Yeah, there's one that's hidden. That one that's like right below this guy, it's hidden, but you know it's there though, right? Yes. This one does not give you the blocks, it just gives you the dimensions. So we would take the base, the width, and the height, right? Yes. What if I don't give you, or what if a problem doesn't give you one of the dimensions, but it gives you the volume? Could you still solve it? Yes. Using what method? Guess and check. Guess and check, right? So you're taking 12 by 6, and you're like, I don't know what x is, but you could probably make a pretty good guess, can't you? Yeah. And if you keep punching things into your calculator, eventually you're going to find out that 8 works. We good? Yes.